Hey everybody, welcome back to Trial and Error. Today's project is going to be refinishing these stair treads. Redone this hallway and made a railing and did some trim work to kind of church it up a little bit. But the treads I never really addressed, and they are pretty freaking rough. So in order to save a few doll hairs, I'm going to try to just sand these guys down again. Might bring out the router and router the front edge a little bit because some of these are pretty bad. But we also may be able to just refinish them. I'm not sure what, I think they're maple. It's a hardwood, but it's not super duper hard. With just some basic tools like a palm sander here. So I think I'm going to start down here on the landing and see how that goes. And then we'll make our way north. Rough sanding on the first 4 steps, and the landing here is done. I took off the top millimeter or so of material, but we've still got some deeper gouges that are going to need some filling. Started doing the edging and found the easiest tool for that is a little Dremel here with that little wedge on there, so you can get right into the corners. But for right now, we're off to a good start. Got twice as many stairs left to go here to finish, and some of these are, I mean, they're really gouged up. So yeah, this needed to be done badly and worn in spots. So they come out really nice though. It should look like a new set of stairs when we're done. I don't know why my LEDs are messing with the camera and making these lines, but at any rate, we're pretty well sanded up here. I still have to do the edging on these top few stairs. Threw some wood putty down in all the little spots that were a little too deep to sand through. And we'll go ahead and get these guys sanded up, and we should be looking pretty good. We're going to use an 80 grit on this next round. I think we're looking pretty good. The white obviously all has to be redone, repainted rather. I got a little bit of sealing left to do, but for right now, good enough to toss some poly on this thing. And again, I apologize, my camera is not liking these LED lights. So yeah, I'm just gonna start with the first coat. Probably do just 2 coats. It's probably all it really needs. And that should put some color right back in these stairs. Allowed the floors to dry up overnight, and I am really happy with them. They look great. They could benefit from another light sand, and if you really want to get a nice finish, you can actually polish them out, but this is good enough. Run some caulking down and just kind of polish the turd of trim, if you will. I'm going to use some kills on some of these knots that were starting to show through, and just in general get it nice and crisp. Oh, I hate that these lights are screwing with this. This fucking sucks. Hello, mini kitty. It's a good cat. Cleaned her up. It's a solid kitty right there.
But I cleaned them all up. Look at them. That's one fucking nice kitty right there.
All right, now for these stairs. Holy crap, did these come out nice. And the laundry is done, in case you're wondering, by the 20-minute song that now, for some reason, washers and dryers have to play to tell you that they're done. Anywho's, back to the stairs. Under $100 in material cost here, between sand, that's including sanding discs, you know, the poly for the stairs, the caulk, the big juicy caulk that we stuffed in all the trim to make it look nice. And man, that's a damn nice looking set of stairs. I'm really happy with how this came out. It's not perfect. I could have done a much better job with the tack cloth on these to keep the dust and the grime out before I polyed it, but I really didn't care all that much, to be honest with you. Because with use, all of that will kind of sand itself off. But and again, I apologize. For whatever reason, the $5 Amazon lights that I put in this hallway at 60 hertz are flickering like a son of a biscuit when it comes to this camera. But yeah, you know what? I'm not sad about that. That looks really good. So thank you all for watching. Just to show you don't need a lot of money to do nice stuff. You just gotta put a little elbow grease in. Appreciate you all watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, and or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, everybody have a great day.